Greetings to you all. Today I want to present about land degradation in Zimbabwe. My name is Hilary Mugove Tandari, studying Advanced Diploma in Mechanical Engineering with 8. Land degradation in Zimbabwe is caused by a combination of factors such as deforestation, overgrazing, climate change, and unsustainable agriculture practices. These factors lead to soil erosion, nutrient depletion, and loss of soil fertility. This results in reduced agricultural productivity, food insecurity, and poverty. Furthermore, land degradation exacerbates climate change by releasing carbon into the atmosphere and reducing the ability of ecosystem to sequester carbon. It is important to address the issue of land degradation in Zimbabwe because it has significant consequences for both current and future generations by implementing sustainable land management practices such as conservation agriculture, agroforestry, and reforestation. We can improve soil health, increase agricultural productivity, and mitigate climate change. Additionally, addressing land degradation can help to reduce poverty, improve the well-being of communities that depend on natural resources for their livelihoods. Causes of land degradation, deforestation, unsustainable agriculture practices, mining activities, climate changes. Effects of land degradation: soil erosion, reduced soil fertility, soil loss of biodiversity, desertification. The current state of land degradation in Zimbabwe: we have an estimate of 9,496.49 hectares of the country's land is affected by illegal mines. School buildings collapse because of illegal minings. Agricultural practices with high rates of soil loss. Efforts to combat land degradation in our country: afforestation, proper management of grazing to control overgrazing, planting of shelter belts of plants, stabilization of sand dunes, growing thorns bush, control of mine activities, proper discharge and disposal of industrial influence and waste after treatment, proper management of wastelands. In conclusion, by taking these steps, we can all contribute to the preservation of Zimbabwe's natural resources and combat the issue of land degradation. Plant trees, support reforestation efforts, use sustainable agriculture practices such as crop rotation and conservation tillage, support sustainable mining practices that minimize environmental impact, support sustainable mining practices that minimize environmental impact, reduce carbon emissions through energy conservation and use renewable energy sources, participate in community-led conservation efforts such as wildlife protection and habitat restoration, support governmental policies that promote sustainable land management practices. Thank you so much. This is all I think will be good for us.